What's up everybody, George from Sac City Auto Parts. I'm going to show you guys what my car looks like after one track day and about 1,500 miles of street driving.
Okay, let's do this thing.
Obviously, it is pretty dirty after the track day. I drove it to the track and drove it back from the track. But we drove with the Part Shop Max angle kit, as you can tell over here. The Feel 441 Plus coilovers, plus the Part Shop Max knuckle and the upper control arm. So we got a full Part Shop Max suspension connected to the OEM Brembos and the tie rod extensions, as you can tell. So you can see some oil over here. You can see some oil under the engine as well. So I just noticed the oil pan had a little bit of leaking oil. So we are going to get that checked out. This also has the rack front forwarding kit as well, moving the rack more forward, allowing the extension and full angle of the 350's wheels. Got the ISR downpipes. Everything looks pretty good underneath the car. And the white pipe and the single exit exhaust. Everything on the control arms looks good too. Sometimes I scrape and I'm like, oh, my control arm. But it looks like it's been handling really well. I don't see anything major. And again, this is after a track day and 1,500 miles of driving. Diff doesn't look like there are any issues. Everything looks really good. But coming back to the motor is what I want to emphasize more. A lot of people who blow their motors prematurely or just kind of just like get issues with their cars is because they never notice these little mini spills or leaks or just don't even pay attention. Like I said, after a track day and 1,500 miles of driving, if I have a leak in my motor, I have to fix it. And if I don't, it really puts me on the edge on blowing this motor. So maintenance is key onto making these VQs run healthy longer. So a lot of people talk about how VQs are unreliable, how they're blowing or burning oil. And if you could just imagine, half of it might be burning oil, but the other half might be spilling oil. So if you can reduce leaks from different angles and different spots, like an oil pan gasket or something, you can go ahead and prolong your motor's life far longer than it has to be. But with that all being said, everything's pretty much set underneath this car. We are going to prep it and get it ready for some more driving. So keep your eye out for all the YouTube videos that we'll be posting on our track days. And we should be throwing an event soon because that's what everyone's asking for. So we'll see you then.